Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring location services are active and set to high accuracy on your device. This gives Zupee precise readings. Next, you open Zupee and navigate to Profile or Settings where the app reads your location. If you intend to simulate a different GPS, install a trusted mock location app. Make sure developer options and allow mock locations are enabled. Once done, keep both Zupee and the mock app ready on screen for the next steps. You enter developer options and pick the mock location app you installed. This is critical so the system permits location overriding. Then open the mock app and either input the coordinates you need or select a saved location profile. Explain why you choose that spot for consistent results. Make sure the mock app displays that mocking is active. Look for a persistent notification or status. Once confirmed, switch back to Zupee without closing the mock app, because Zupee will now read the spoofed coordinates. You finalize by returning to Zupee and forcing a location refresh or restarting the app so it reads the new GPS data. This often resolves delays. If the app shows your old location, clear Zupee's cache or toggle device location OFF and on to force an update, because some systems cache coordinates. If problems persist, revoke mock location permission and reboot the device, then re-enable it. This reset commonly fixes stubborn conflicts. Make sure to follow platform rules to avoid account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.